this is what I've been forced to do now. I'm gonna have to do, I think I've got £60 in 50p's and 50 in £2 coins. Bus bag in first bag, and Paddington at St Paul's Cathedral, and this is a 2016. It's probably Mrs. Tiggywinkle. I don't know, it's Beatrix Potter anniversary. So I've had to resort to this bus bag. Anniversary Beatrix Potter bust. Paddington at St Paul's Cathedral, and oh no, yes, there it is, and there it is. I thought it were over here. Shitty Diversity, and I went on to £2. I forgot what this is called, man. Charles Dickens, and I think what is that? Comedies, histories, or something. And the edge inscriptions exactly how it's supposed to be. I just wanted to upload a video